What's going on, guys? This is the Disqus bot. It is a very powerful bot to comment and like your comment on Disqus enabled blogs to get your link noticed. So what this bot does is it comments on blogs and websites that have Disqus comments enabled on them. It makes a comment, then it likes up that same comment with your list of proxies to get you to the top of the list, so that when everyone is reading that post that you commented on, they will see your link, see your message, and most likely act upon it. So there are a couple features that I'll go over. There are three tabs up top. One is a .txt file. This is where you can import a big list of links to different pages. You can put 50 links and it will all day long go one by one into each post on your text file, make a comment, and then like up that comment. This is sort of like an auto run feature. You can run this all day, set it on autopilot. Next we have the link tab. This is if you just have one post, a new post just came out and you want to hit it up real quick, you can go ahead, paste the link to that post in there and hit run. It will just do that comment or that post. And lastly, we have a find blogs tab. This is where you can type in a keyword and it will search for blogs in this keyword that have Disqus comments on them. So let's go through a little run right now, and just for time's sake, let's use the link tab. This just goes to one Disqus post, and like I said earlier, the .txt file tab will auto run all of the posts you put in a text file. So like you just saw me put in, I have a link that I put in there that is a Disqus enabled blog post. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to import proxies. So these should be in a text file, just in your standard proxy :port :username :password setup. Have that set up in a text file. Then if you are using private proxies, which I do highly recommend, type in your username and password. So I'm going to go and do that. And I do really recommend using private proxies. I have tried this using some open and public proxies, and yes, the website may load up, but there's something with Disqus comments that the Disqus system just doesn't want to open up with public proxies. So I recommend using private proxies if you're going to use this. You only need about 20. 20 does the job. 20 gets you up there and noticed. So next we have a checkbox to make a comment. This is there because if for some reason you didn't want to make a comment with this blog, maybe you made it on your browser, you can uncheck that and it will go to the website and like up the last comment that was made. So next we are going to, I'm going to paste in a comment that I have pre-written. I'm just going to change something up a little bit. Alright, so this, you can put in a spun comment. It will decipher your spun comment, so just note that. So basically you have everything set up like this, and let's hit run. So what the bot will do is it will first go to your link, and if you did have the text file, it will go to the first URL in that text file. It would cycle through those text file URLs, but this one is just going to this one link. So it's making a post. As you can see, it just posted a comment. Okay, now that it has made the comment, it's going to cycle through all of our proxies, and the way this works, the way it knows that, it doesn't really know which comment to like, it just knows to like the last comment made. So I wouldn't recommend using this on a blog post that literally just got posted, because whoever's the last comment at that second will get liked up. But usually most people don't comment in 5 minutes. Just your ordinary blog post. So as you can see, it's going through. I already got 3 likes, and it has a little stat monitor up here to see how many likes it has given. So I'll let this run for a little bit and show you the final result in about 2 minutes. Alright, so it has been 5 minutes since the bot first posted that comment, and I'm gonna bring my browser over. Let's refresh the page. And as you can see, I'm top comment, there's my link, and people are going to go to my comment. Now this is really an awesome bot because of the .text file feature. You can load up as many blog posts as you want, and you can press run, and all day it will comment on, it'll cycle through the comments one by one. It'll make a comment on the first URL, then like up 20 times with your proxies, then go on to the next URL in the list. So it's pretty much an auto run feature. So that's the comment and liking up feature. Alright, so lastly is the Find Blogs tab, where you can type in a keyword and it will look for blogs with Disqus comments enabled on them. So just type in your keyword, hit run, and it will Google this this footprint and your keyword. So we can just scroll through and look for some blogs. See how popular it is. Okay, so this blog has 20 comments on it, so that would probably be a good one to put in our list. So it's just a little helpful tool to help you look for blogs, but I do recommend going and finding them yourself, finding some active blogs, and get the URLs yourself. So that's pretty much it for this Disqus bot. Leave your comments below, and if you want to contact me with more questions, feel free to do so.